We take screenshots all the time, then completely forget about them. Over time, they just pile up and clutter the gallery. Luckily, there is a simple way to delete them automatically. Let me show you how. You need to install this free app on Play Store called Mark. When you open the app, you need to first select the folder where your screenshots are being saved. If you are not sure which folder it is, simply take a screenshot and check its file location. This is my screenshots folder, so I will select this one. Next, grant the required permissions so the app can manage your screenshots. Once that is done, you are ready to go. Now, choose how long you want your screenshots to stay before they are deleted. You can set the timer in minutes, hours, or days. I will set mine to 50 minutes. Next time you take a screenshot, a pop-up appears where you can quickly choose the default timer we had set earlier, 2 hours, 3 days, or tap keep if you do not want the screenshot to be deleted. If you tap the down arrow, you will see 2 more options: share and keep, and share and delete after 1 hour. Setting the timer in advance makes it really convenient because you do not have to remember to clean up your screenshots later. If you come back to the app, you will see all the screenshots currently queued for deletion. From here, you can change the timer, cancel it completely, or delete the screenshot immediately. The app only manages the screenshots, it does not touch your photos or videos. You get 40 days of free use with no ads. After that, the app will show few ads, but they do not get in the way of using the app. If your gallery is always filled with old screenshots, this is one app you should definitely try. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.